and welcome to Budgie Marx video today. Budgie Marx video today. We're doing Budgie to the Rescue Part 5 by me. Let's go. Budgie, let's go. Budgie, I guess someone once lives here. Budgie, and there's the flag. I'm going to get it. Yay. Ha! It's go time. Spikes. Vines, yay. Meow, 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 meow. We'll see about that. I'm number 1. Let's go. Ah, crap. The flag is on the other side. I know, go to the other side. Over this fallen tree. Ha! Let's go. Oh, gross. I have to get across. Well, here goes nothing. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, no. Oh. Let's go. I better not make this mistake again. Here we go. It still smells bad. Whoa. Hey, there's the flag. Ha! Let's go. Whoa, this is up high. This is longer than usual. Ha! Let's go. Hey, there it is. Ha! Let's go. Hey, light. Ha! Let's go. Whoa, that's really green. Ha! It's go time. Oh boy, vines. Oof. Hello? And number 1. Wait. To be continued. Well, that'll be all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you please enjoy, like, subscribe, and share. Ring that bell for notifications from us for the content I'll be seeing guys in the next Budgie Marx video. Bye.